Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. My name is Jan, and this is what we're gonna make today. Air fried cheese taco toastie. Oh yeah. This toastie, I use some cornbread. It's really delicious. We're also gonna add some Gouda cheese and put a lot on it. Oh yes. I also added some Italian herbs that will meld in with the cheese. Now our chicken taco. Watch my video on how to make this chicken taco. It's up in the right corner. It's so easy, it's so delicious. It's made in the pressure cooker. That will make the chicken really tender. So delicious. And I'm gonna put a lot on this toastie because it's absolutely delicious. So make it how you like it. And I like a lot of cheese and a lot of chicken. So this is the perfect combination. Now more cheese. And it's a Gouda cheese. A little bit spicy, but that's really delicious. Now we're gonna put on the top half. And then, oh yes, watch this. Some grilling cheese, honey and barbecue. That's a big one, so we're gonna cut it in half. Now this looks like it's made for each other. It fits perfectly. It will go in the air fryer for about 10 minutes on 200 degrees. Grab yourself your air fryer basket and put in some parchment. Maybe the cheese is gonna ooze out. I don't wanna have a messy air fryer. Now put in our toastie and let's grill it. Now will you look at that? Oh man, so beautiful. Now let's plate this. And I also love some chives, so we're gonna put on some chives. It also looks pretty. Now this is gonna be delicious. It smells already really good. Let's hear how the crunch is. Oh yes, very crunchy. That's gonna be good. Now let's have a look inside. Oh, that looks so good. This is gonna be good. Oh yes. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, then I hope you subscribe. Give me a like and leave me a comment. I really like reading all your comments. And if you have any suggestions or requests, let me know in the comments down below. And as always, see you next time.